good news for all aspiring police recruits. It looks like the nationwide recruitment exercise scheduled for this coming Monday is back on track. Let's break down what's been happening, because it's been a real roller coaster. Just a few days ago, on Friday afternoon, the High Court made a crucial decision. They temporarily lifted the order that had put a complete stop to the recruitment process earlier this week. Remember that order from November 10th? Well, Justice Bahati Mwamil suspended it. This basically means we're back to where we were before everything was halted. So, what does this mean for you? It means the police recruitment exercise, which was hanging in the balance, can now proceed as planned. This must be a huge relief for the agencies organizing this massive nationwide intake. They've been caught in the middle of a legal tug-of-war over who is actually in charge of hiring new officers. The whole issue started with a petition filed by activist Eliud Matindi. His argument was pretty straightforward. He challenged the legality of the Inspector General of Police, or IG, conducting the recruitment. According to Matindi's petition, the Constitution, specifically Article 246, gives the National Police Service Commission, the NPSC, the mandate to handle recruitment, not the Inspector General directly. Let's rewind a bit to see how we got here. Back on September 5th, the NPSC announced its own plan to recruit 10,000 police constables, stating it was their constitutional duty. However, that plan was stopped by a different court order on October 2nd, following a separate petition. Things got even more complicated when the High Court, on October 30th, declared the NPSC advertisement unconstitutional, ruling that the recruitment mandate actually lies with the National Police Service itself. Following the ruling, the Inspector General then issued a fresh advertisement on November 4th, announcing a new recruitment drive set for November 17th across 422 centers nationwide. This is the recruitment that was then challenged by Mr. Matindi. He argued that the IG cannot just decide to recruit officers without getting explicit permission or delegation from the NPSC, as required by the law. That brings us back to this week. On Monday, the court initially agreed with Matindi and stopped the IG's planned recruitment. But now, with the latest ruling on Friday, that stop order has been temporarily lifted. The court has scheduled a case management session for November 17th to look into the matter further. Justice Mwamil has ordered that all parties involved be served with the latest applications and orders before that date. So, for now, the green light is on. The recruitment drive is proceeding, but the legal debate over who holds the ultimate authority is clearly not over yet. It is a classic case of constitutional interpretation and the separation of powers between different police service bodies. The core of the issue is whether the Inspector General can act independently or needs the NPSC's explicit approval for recruitment. This legal saga highlights the complexities within our national security structures. While the immediate hurdle for the recruitment seems to be cleared, the fundamental question remains and will be settled in court in the coming days. For all the candidates who have been preparing, this is your chance. The uncertainty has been lifted, at least for now. Make sure you're ready for Monday. We'll be keeping a close eye on this story as it develops in court. The outcome will have significant implications for how the National Police Service is managed in the future. It's a landmark case for sure. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more updates on this and other important national stories. Stay informed and stay safe.